Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a factory or a hard reset on your GoPro Hero 11. Keeping in mind, this is going to erase everything off it, all the settings and everything. So if we want to do that, we can start by just having our camera on. We're going to swipe down from the top in order to get this menu here. And from this menu here, we're going to swipe over to the right to get to our preferences. From here, we're going to click on preferences. And when we get the preferences, we will scroll all the way to the bottom. And when you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see you have this reset option. And then you're going to click on this reset option. And again, from this menu, we're again going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And we're going to, you see there's the option factory reset. So we're going to hit that factory reset button. And then once we hit that factory reset button, it will pop up with a little confirmation thing to wipe everything or to confirm it. You just hit the OK button, and then it will go through the factory reset, and your GoPro will be back to its default factory settings like it was when it came out of the box. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.